Contractors, renovation contractors, home service pros, I want to give you this 50-page document about marketing for 2025 and what you have to do and what you have to embrace to not just win in the market, but to dominate your market. So just quickly, there is a ton of content in here that you can view on your mobile device quickly and easily. Just give us your information. I'll send you this download, and this will help you build your business for 2025. As things are tighter, things are different in the marketplace, we're here to help. I've been working with contractors since 2016, driving them revenues and leads. So this document can help you take it to the next level. If you want any help with this, by all means, reach out. But I wanted to get this information into your hands for the first part of the year so that you can help dominate in your market. I hope this helps. Thank you.